this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with a Nubia Red Magic 7, and we'll do this by plugging in the charger into this Gosun Smart socket, and we'll see statistics on this device on the left right here. So now let's plug in the charger to the phone. Then to the socket. Now move to electric tab, and here we'll wait till all statistics are somewhat stable. So I think the statistics are pretty stable right now, and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.